Hi friends, so this video shows how to change keyboard language. Open Messages app, tap on this Messages app icon, then tap on Start Chat, then tap on Keyboard Settings icon here, then select Languages, then select Add Keyboard. Then from this list we need to select one language. So I am going to select one language from this list. So let me select Hindi. Then select Hindi here, then select one keyboard from this list, then tap on done, then go back to keyboard. So now if you want to switch language, we can tap and hold on this button, then we will get a list. For example, if you want to switch to Hindi, we can select Hindi here. Now we can type in Hindi. If you want to switch back to English, again press tap and hold here, then select English. Now we can type in English. So if you want to delete that newly added language, again go to settings, tap on this settings icon, then select languages, then tap on this edit icon, then select a language which we want to delete, then tap on delete. Done. Let me go back to keyboard. So now there is no language switch option. So this way we can change keyboard language. So please try it.